Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update Instagram from Play Store or App Store. So if you have Android, then open up the Play Store. If you have iPhone or iPad, then open up the App Store, just like this. Okay, now use the search bar at the top on the Play Store and use the search bar at the bottom right hand corner on the App Store and simply search for Instagram. And now you can see Instagram is coming. So it is right now, and in front of Instagram you can see open option. That means the app is actually updated version. Okay, if you don't have the updated version, then it will give you the option to update it. It will say update, and you need to click on update, and you need to give in the password or maybe your face ID. Okay, and it will update your Instagram. So this is how easily you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.